Good afternoon. Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. For this week's Week in Review, September 2nd, 2024. In front of us, the Wyckoff wave. We talked about still possibly moving a little bit higher last week, which we did. Ended the week near the highs here. Looked like a breakout, but again, down here we got the technometer, 50.12. I put another red highlight there. I do think these markets are still going to turn down from here, and I look for lower. New index, same type of thing. Close at a minor new high here, but I do think we're going to meet resistance here and turn lower. And the growth index, a little weaker here. A lot of the bigger name techs coming under some pressure, sideways for the week. And again, I think we're going to turn lower. SPY, I talked about last week going to new all-time highs. We haven't done that yet. Close to that on Friday. Again, I think we could do that early in the week. Technometer 52.86. And then let's look for a turn to the downside. TLT long from that green buy signal down there, 91.50. We did have a sell-off on Friday, technometer 42.66. But again, I think bonds will catch a bid here as stocks turn lower, and bonds will go back up through that 100 level. Crude oil, a little bit of weakness late in the week. We're still along the XLE, which actually outperformed a little bit. Looks like a little flag pattern here the last 10 trading sessions. Technometer 49.30. But I think the XLE can break out here above that 92 level and make a stand there going for 94, 95. So still long XLE. GLD, I warned about possibly a short-term top here. Maybe looking for some type of correction, which I think would be an extremely good buying opportunity. So let's look for the metals to work a little bit lower. There's the future, same type of thing. Price action working higher while volume is not. That's bearish, so let's look for metals a little lower. Not much to add with silver, underperforming. Let's look for lower. Dollar, I said, even if we're headed lower, we should be able to bounce. We did do that last week. I am a little long there on the dollar, and let's look for still continued strength. Bitcoin, talked about maybe leaving an ABC behind here. Up here A, sideways B, and a C. Looks like that's definitely what happened. We had some good selling coming in. We're riding a little bit today off those recent lows. But again, I think we can work a little higher early in the week, but I think we're ultimately going to see lower levels late in the week. Bitcoin futures, same type of thing, not much to add. A little higher for a few days and then lower. Ethereum, I talked about previous support turning into resistance. That's exactly what happened up there at that 28.15 level. We turned quickly lower. Again, let's look for a little bit higher, maybe get above maybe that 2,600 level. And let's see if we can come down and break that 2,400 level later in the week. And again, we're long XLE and QFIN. QFIN added another $1.50 for the week. Long this thing from around 18, we're trading 26.50. I think QFIN's in a bull market and headed a lot higher, but we probably will try to trade it short-term partially here on the way up. Have a great week trading.